Ladies and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, quick final update on the charity auction for the Tank Museum's King Tiger V2 model. The auction is now done, and it was won by none other than our very own Bunny Kitten. So thank you, Bunny Kitten, love you. It went for just over £40, which it would have been nice to have got a little bit more. But Bunny Kitten has said that she is going to make an additional donation to the museum. To bump that total up to £100, which is very generous of her. So there you go. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video series. If you didn't get a chance to bid on the auction, then by all means feel free to pop along to the Tank Museum's donation page and you can make a donation of your own. But anyway, hopefully you all enjoyed that little series. I quite enjoyed building that model. I thought it was quite a fun little project. As ever, I'd like to thank my top tier patrons, Howard, Amy, Chris and Hawaii Clive O, for their continued support. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers. Bye.